Hello, this is Alexander Cross, Criminal Defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area. If you'd like to learn more about criminal defense, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comment section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos for you. So we received an interesting inquiry here on our YouTube channel. This has to do with being arrested while having a domestic violence case in another state. Let's see here. In 2005, I had a domestic violence case in North Carolina, and I never went to court for it. I moved to California. And if I get arrested for participating in a riot, what can happen? Quite a bit. See, if you had a domestic violence case in North Carolina and you never went to court for it, you need to find out if you have a warrant before you decide to go out protesting and doing a, participating in a riot. We shouldn't do that anyway, not a riot. You should check to see if you have a warrant. Because if you have a warrant, you better not be going to that riot, because if you get, arrested by a police officer, they're going to realize that you have a warrant out of state, and then you're going to be detained in the jail here, and they could keep you in custody for a couple of weeks until the other state picks you up. Then they'll take you over to North Carolina, and then you're going to have to respond to the domestic violence charges. And I couldn't tell you about the laws in North Carolina, but here in California, domestic violence is something that could be charged as a felony or a misdemeanor, depending on whether or not the victim had any visible injuries. If the victim had visible injuries, you could be facing up to 4 years state prison under California Penal Code Section 273.5. But before you decide to do anything crazy, actually you shouldn't do it, but call the courthouse in Carolina and the county where you got in trouble in to check to see if your matter has been filed on and if there's a warrant. And quite frankly, take care of it. Contact a criminal defense attorney there in North Carolina, and if possible, contact a bail bondsman. But don't be getting involved in any riots. Don't do that. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comment section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos for you. But if you've been accused of a crime here in the San Francisco Bay Area and need representation, give us a call for a free consultation at 1-800-862-7677. Once again, 1-800-862-7677. On our next video, we're going to be discussing a case of somebody who was giving alcoholic beverages to minors. Criminal lawyer, criminal lawyers, DUI lawyer, DUI lawyers. Criminal attorney, criminal attorneys, DUI attorney, DUI attorney.